Hello, my name is Tim Moulton, and I am in the group ctrl-alt-elite with the lovely team members Paul, Will, and Jason. And we are creating the Ashelverse Helper app. Um, and our app is to help with complicated calculations and to create character sheets for our game, Ashelverse. So let's get started with what we got. I am going to open up our website and show you the beautiful web page or main page that we have so far. Um, my teammates made a very wonderful logo, and here it is. Welcome to our Ashelverse Helper app. And so our app, right now, we are creating a character and making sure we get able to push it into our array and be able to store it and be able to use it later. So right now, I'm going to show you our functionality of our main page. We have our new character, which brings you to our Killer Builder screen. And we also have our load character, which right now we haven't built one or anything, so it was empty. From I also made it where you can create one from the load character screen, or you can just do it from the main page. Anyways, I am going to create a character. This is most likely just from the web browser. I did not encode this to save personal information. But let's make a character. How about you, Professor E.L. Fridge, Mr. Fridge, and we're going to put you in the software engineering program or campaign, excuse me. And I'm going to make you. How about a wonderful bard because you have such a wonderful voice. And we can set the HP to anything. It's similar to the Pokemon app that you showed. But right now it doesn't matter. It's the same with the strength. You set it to whatever. All of these are going to have. All of these are going to contribute to the calculations in the future of our app. Um, um, and these can also go to the negative, but like I said, it doesn't matter. And you usually don't want your starting character to be in the negative unless there's some special case in the game that we haven't come up with. Anyways, we can create our character. Now we go back to our load screen. And there you are, Mr. Fridge. You are your bard and a human. And you start off typically at level 1. This could change in the future for maybe NPCs or non-playable characters. So we might make possible templates for our users to be able to export, possibly. Um, and the campaign is uh, a way of letting us know what our character and which campaign they belong to. So if we have multiple characters and they belong to a different campaign, we might make a sorting function for that to be able to sort through campaigns and your attributes. And then it also works for having multiple characters. Let's make myself a molten typo, and I can also put myself in either software engineering or whatever, and I'll be, there's a lot. This is why we need a helper because there's so many classes and they all do different things, having abilities and skills. Now sometimes they'll share it, but they all should have some uniqueness to them. I'm gonna be a priest. Let's not get too much into it, and I could be a gnome. And I'm not a very strong gnome, but let's say I'm a really smart one and wise through experience in my age, and I can create that character, and you'll see it in here. And I'll show you through our console how I know that it is working, and it is in there all properly. As you can see, um, this is the information it gets from our website before it gets passed through our validator. Lets you know that these are the inputs it got from the body, and this lets you know that it created a character from the information we got from our body, for the yeah, from requesting from the body webpage of our webpage. And you can see the same for my character. It should have all the information you see on your load character screen. Um, and then we can build as many as we want, even like duplicates. Um, yeah, we can make duplicates, as I was saying. Oh, I wonder why it's not doing the saving my information. Um, so it can take duplicates. We might make it change better in the future so we don't confuse our user in the future. Also, in our create character, we make sure that we can put numbers in here, whatever we want. Uh, but however, in our number inputs like HP and our attributes, I am pressing the letter keys and nothing's input, but I can put all the bloody numbers that I would like, and it should all be there. In the future, we might make some constraints, and this would be a little too high in a scenario for Astroverse to have this much HP. Um, Otherwise, we plan on being able to edit these characters, maybe having a helper page to be able to mess with those crazy calculations in the future. Um, Add more, maybe an armored class and how much defense a character has, and we'll be able to pit that up like against different types of attributes that character may have based on the weapon. The weapon may amplify said attributes. Um, Being able to level up, gain XP, maybe add a mana function because some of these other characters, like mages, may need uh, those types of things. Otherwise, this is our app so far. Uh, Thank you for your time and all my group members hearing this. I appreciate your hard work and being a part of the group. You guys really came through hard and put in a lot of work, and I appreciate every single one of you. Again, thank you. This is the end of the video. Goodbye.